Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist, here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick unboxing and review of a cloth case I purchased on AliExpress, the Chinese global trade website, for the Google's Pixel 6 Pro. So this is my Google Pixel 6 Pro in sort of sunny, and it's a lovely phone, but I want to make sure it's kept safe and it doesn't get scratched, or more importantly, that protruding camera bump doesn't get smashed. So I'm having some adventures on AliExpress, finding lots of really interesting cases, and this is one of them. So this is essentially a plastic and silicone case. So it's a sort of hardish plastic on the inside with a softer silicone section at the sides around the edges, and it has a dedicated bit or cutout for the camera module on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So here we are. What I'll do is I'll just slip this in buttons first, and it clips in nice and snugly. It's actually a really nice feel. So as I said, it has a bit of protection here for the camera module, but when you hold it in your hand with a phone in it, you notice that it doesn't give it particularly much in terms of bulk added to the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and it's lovely and soft to hold. So this material finish on the back, this reddish or burgundy finish on the back, is nice and soft, and it's finished off with a little bit of plastic leather at the bottom. So really nice ergonomics here without adding much to the case. Right, let's check out a few things. So the on-off button works as expected. I'll need to put in my passcode here. So let's try that again. On-off button works great. Let's have a look at the volume buttons. So volume up, that works great. Volume down, no issues there, no stickiness. So everything is as expected. Now, one thing to notice is obviously the Google Pixel 6 Pro does have a lovely curved screen. That means that cases tend to finish a bit on the lower end of the thing. So you don't get any lift here apart from a marginal amount at the top and the bottom. So if you're putting your Google Pixel 6 Pro down flat on a surface, you're likely to scratch it. I would recommend a screen protector. And we will be doing a video here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel about screen protectors for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. At the top, there's a cutout for that microphone. At the bottom, we have the usual cutouts for the USB Type-C port and the speakers. Nothing on the left-hand side. And on the right side, we've already looked at the on-off button, which is here, and the volume button. No stickiness to them whatsoever. And there's also a little lanyard loop. So if you want to wear your phone on a lanyard with a loop, that is an option here. And that camera module does have a little bit of lift to it. It's not completely flush with the body of the case, which means that if you put it down on a surface, you'll have better protection than on the screen. It's one of those things I think is very useful. But I am also looking into getting some panel protectors for this camera module. But the key takeaway here is that if you're looking for a case with not a lot of bulk added to the Google Pixel 6 Pro that has a nice soft feel to it, this is probably a good option. I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this on AliExpress. That's an affiliate link, which means that if you are purchasing from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. So thanks to making it through this far in the video if you did so. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But anyway, as I said, thank you for watching if you made it this far. We'll see you in our next video.